creme brulee. So for our creme brulee, we need egg yolk. So you will need to separate your yolk from your egg white, and we need 8 egg yolk. We need 1/4 cup of sugar. So in our egg yolk, we're adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we grab a pot and we add 3 cups of whole cream. So that's your 35% whipped cream. Next, you will grab 1/4 cup of sugar and add to the cream. Next, you will want to heat up the cream and add 1/4 cup of loose leaf Earl Grey tea. Stir and let boil. Next, you will want to whisk in your egg yolk and your sugar until it turns into a pale yellow color, roughly about 10 minutes. And this could be done on high speed. When it is done mixing and your cream is nice and heated up, you would like to grab a whisk and pour small portions of your cream solution into your egg yolk and sugar mix. Stir. If you don't stir, then your egg will turn into scrambled egg, and it's very important to pour small portions at a time. All right, so next we stir our mix. Grab a strainer and a cup and pour all of your mix into the cup, leaving behind your loose leaf tea. What's left behind is just the tea and some very flavorful Earl Grey infused creme brulee. Grab a dish and add in your ramekin. Then you will pour in your creme brulee mix. When that is done, grab some hot water, and the hot water will go into your tray. And we will give the creme brulee a hot water bath. We cover it up and place it in the oven. Bake for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull it out, and there you go. Your perfect Earl Grey creme brulee. You can save in your fridge for up to 24 hours. Pull out and torch, and your guests are sure to enjoy this very flavorful creme brulee treat.